that connects the ducky or airplane roller coaster.
Look at the guy. Look at that tiny guy. He's riding of his life.
He's having the ride of his life.
Yeah. It's a carnival. He's at the carnival. Well, he actually kind of looks like a worker, dude. God. I wish I could go there. Look at, he's holding the little bars of the little ducks. I think.
Yes,
ducks.
me and my cousin built this together.
Oh. It's really hard. Well, not really hard.
It's sort of hard.
It's complicated. It really needs two people. Because, like, when I tried to do this...
She got mixed up in the beginning.
Yeah, very funny. If you do this by yourself, you barely can get this thing on. Remember? Hey, it actually looks like a duck. This looks like a duck. That's the eyes, that's the head. Little duck ride. Wee! The little guy says wee. I think the tail is bad right there. It takes a long time to finish this.
Took us about 3 hours total.
We started yesterday, not for like about 2 seconds. Just kidding. About 20 minutes. Or 30, 40, 50. I forget.
Look at all those gears
The
working.
little gears go round and round, round and
Hey,
round.
show them how they go backwards.
Oh,
Well, turn it around. Turn it. Good. Thanks, Leah. Look, they go backwards.
whee! See, the guy's gonna go.
Okay, now we can go forward now.
Wait, don't touch it. It can turn by itself. You don't need to do that. Little guy sucking on his stomach. I need to do that. No, you don't need I need to do that. You don't need it to survive. I need to do that. You don't need to do that to survive. So, if you don't have to place it, you'll die. You live the last years, your last 4 or 3 years without this, and you survived. Is someone gonna talk? I wanna see what you're recording. Oh, you're recording it there. Did I just see a little Frankie?
That's it, and that's all. Bye-bye.